Welcome to Chemistroland. Learn chemistry through story. Today's story is Citrus Sweet Aura, a tale of balance and harmony.
In a realm of time past, resided a youthful maiden by the name of Aura. She was active like transition elements of the periodic table. She was glamorous, lively-spirited golden brown hair, akin to that of a sodium element, when exposed to the open expanse of the atmosphere. But sometimes she struggled to find the right equilibrium in her life. Upon a particular day, Aura resolved to craft a delectable cake in celebration of her mother's birthday. She meticulously followed the recipe, but at the juncture of infusing lemon juice, an unintended surplus poured into the mixture. Consequently, the cake batter assumed a sour and astringent taste, which weighed heavily upon Aura's spirits. The sweat and dedication she had invested seemed to crumble beneath the weight of her inadvertent error. Her mother encouraged her to keep trying. Just like in life, sometimes we make mistakes, she said, but we can always try again and find harmony and equilibrium. Aura's memory summoned images of her science domain, specifically lessons on acid-base interactions and the art of titration. She realized that just like adding a base to an acid can neutralize it, she could balance out the sourness in her cake by adding a base ingredient like sugar. Aura incorporated sugar into the batter, meticulously stirring until the puckering tang subsided and yielded delightful, delicious flavors. Through this experience, Aura learned a profound life lesson, one interwoven with the fabric of chemical principles, much like titration, where each droplet of base carries significance. Every endeavor aimed at calibrating life's equilibrium bears weight. Let's all strive for that balance, crafting lives as satisfyingly joyful as Aura's birthday treat. We may make mistakes, but with persistence and the help of others, we can find the right balance and neutralize the sourness and bitterness that can come our way.